If you're releasing music independently, two popular distribution platforms are Amuse and CD Baby. Both get your music onto Spotify, Apple Music, and more, but they use completely different pricing models. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. Amuse is built for modern, independent artists who want flexibility and low upfront cost. It offers subscription-style plans where you can release unlimited music and keep 100% of your royalties. It's also very fast. Some releases can go live in as little as 24 hours, and you get built-in analytics, royalty splitting, and mobile app control. The biggest advantages are low cost, unlimited releases, and full ownership of your earnings. However, support and advanced features can be limited, especially on lower-tier plans. CD Baby takes a more traditional approach. Instead of subscription, you pay per release, around $10 per single or $15 per album, and your music stays live forever without needing to renew. Amuse. It also offers additional services like publishing, sync licensing, and physical distribution. The downside is that CD Baby takes around a 9% cut of your royalties, which can add up over time. So the real difference is this. Amuse is subscription-based with 100% royalties, while CD Baby is pay-per-release but takes a percentage. Choose Amuse if you plan to release music frequently and want to keep all your royalties with minimal upfront cost. Choose CD Baby if you prefer a one-time payment and want your music to stay up forever without ongoing fees. Bottom line, Amuse is better for frequent releases and maximizing royalties, while CD Baby is better for one-time releases and long-term stability. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.